Okay, we've already covered how to use threshold and binary options to count objects such as these nuclei. Now we're going to look at a pre-trained deep learning model called Stardist that's very useful for cell and nuclei detection. This comes pre-installed in the version of Fiji that we provided for the workshop and can be found under plugins, Stardist, Stardist 2D. The objects that we're trying to identify are fluorescent nuclei, so we're going to use the fluorescent nuclei model. We're going to normalize the image, and we're going to use the settings shown here and for the post-processing as well. And our output type is going to be both the region of interest manager and a labeled image. We click OK, and it will apply that model to the image. Now, as you can see, that's opened up our labeled image and also the region of interest manager. If we want to quantify the number of objects within that image, we can press the H button for the histogram, and that will tell us the number of objects. Each one of these objects has a slightly different intensity value. So we can see here that we've got 78 objects within that image. The other way we could look at doing this is to go into Analyze Set Measurements, make sure we've got the min and max gray value selected. And when we go into Analyze Measure, it's going to show us that we have 78 objects within that image. You could also then use this image using threshold and binary to go on and do further analysis.